Welcome back to ClearTask. Today I'll show you exactly how to type a squared symbol or any superscript number in Google Docs. We'll cover two quick methods. Let's start with method 1, using the menu. First, type your base letter and the number you want to square. For example, type the letter X and the number 2. Next, highlight just the number 2. Now go up to the top menu and click on Format, hover over Text, and then select Superscript. Just like that, your 2 becomes a squared symbol. To go back to normal typing, simply repeat those steps. Go to Format Text and click Superscript again to uncheck it. Now let's look at the second method, which is much faster using a keyboard shortcut. Again, type your letter and the number 2. Highlight the number 2. If you're using Windows, hold down the Control key and press the period key. If you're on a Mac, hold down the Command key and press the period key. Your number will instantly format as a superscript. And that's it, a super simple way to format math equations or power numbers in your documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.